the fifth day driving our new Tesla Model 3. We just love it. This is an example of how the automatic windshield wipers work during a little bit of rain. So we just have some drizzle going right now, and the automatic sensor, when it feels like enough water's built up, it'll clean it for you. And then I noticed when the rain came down harder, it would just automatically kick up and do more cleaning. So it's pretty cool to have the automatic feature. If you want to turn on the automatic feature, you just press on the button here, and on your display you get the windshield wiper, and you just choose the auto. It's pretty slick. We're really enjoying it. I think the best part when you first drive the Tesla is when you have dry roads and you have a nice clean clear opening, like coming up on a freeway on-ramp, and you punch it, you hit the full throttle, it's like a rocket. It just pushes you back in the seat, and it's just so fun. I've driven Porsche for many years, and the most powerful one I drove was the 928, big powerful motor, and has a great top speed. But getting 0 to 60, this base model Tesla Model 3 actually does it better. So really impressed with it, having a lot of fun, and we'll be making a lot more videos. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance so we can send you a lot more videos just like this one.